Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can reset your settings on the Microsoft Edge web browser to its default values really quickly. It is super simple, guys, and you absolutely don't need any advanced knowledge to pull this off. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started right away. Now, shall we? So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your device. And here on your home feed, click on these three dots in the top right corner to access your browser settings here at the bottom. And the following is super simple, guys. Inside your browser settings, head over or take a look at that list of options here to the left, like profiles, privacy, appearance, Copilot, and so on and so forth. And at the bottom of that list, you will see that feature here, Reset Settings. So click on it to access it. And after that, simply click on that button here, Restore Settings to their default values. And if you do that, guys, Microsoft Edge will ask you again to confirm your decision or to cancel it, because guys, the decision would be irreversible. So if you decide to reset your settings, they will reset with all the associated settings like the startup page, the new tab page, the set search engine, and the pin tabs, autofills, passwords, and all of that, including extensions and temporary data like cookies and cache. All of these will be turned off and set to its default value. So make sure you're 100% convinced to do that. So if that's the case, click on reset here and Microsoft Edge will reset your settings to its default values. And that's all to it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.